Welcome. If you're looking for a way to disable those persistent reminder notifications on your Facebook page using your PC, you're in the right place. With Facebook's latest update, the process has changed a bit, so today, I'll guide you through the exact steps to turn off reminder notifications and keep your page experience distraction-free. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on Facebook, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Give it a click. This will open a menu with all your pages and profiles. Now, select the page where you want to disable reminder notifications. Click on the page's profile photo to enter the page itself. Next, look for the menu on the left side of the screen. Scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. When the options expand, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for your page. On the left sidebar, you'll see a list of different settings categories. Find and click on Notifications. This is where you can control what kind of notifications your page receives. Within the Notifications section, look for the option labeled Reminders. Click on it to open the reminder notification settings. Now you'll see a switch or checkbox next to Allow Notifications on Facebook. To disable reminders, simply toggle this option off. Once you do this, Facebook will stop sending reminder notifications to your page. And that's it. You've successfully disabled reminder notifications for your Facebook page using the new update on your PC. No more unnecessary pings or distractions, just a cleaner, more focused Facebook experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who might need it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.